In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save charts on Deriv TradingView. Let's start by opening Deriv TradingView. Once the platform loads, you'll see your main chart area with your selected symbol, time frame, and any tools you may have already applied. Think of this space as your workspace. Everything you add here, your indicators, drawings, color preferences, and chart settings together make up your layout. Saving this layout is what keeps your setup consistent every time you come back. When you are happy with your chart, maybe you've added moving averages, drawn support and resistance lines, or adjusted your chart style. It's time to save. Look toward the top right corner of the TradingView interface. You should see the layout name along the top bar, and right next to it, the save icon. It's often represented by a small disk or a similar symbol that clearly says save. Click that save icon to store your current chart setup. This action captures your indicators, drawings, and other visual settings so you don't have to rebuild them later. If this is the first time you are saving a particular layout, you may be prompted to give it a clear name. Choose something descriptive that helps you recognize it quickly, like the strategy or time frame you are using. If you've saved it before, clicking Save updates the existing layout with your latest changes. After saving, watch for a brief confirmation on screen or a subtle change near the layout name, which lets you know the workspace is secure. Now, here is the quickest way to make sure you never lose your edits. Use the keyboard shortcut, press Ctrl+S. Anytime you make a meaningful change. For example, if you add a new indicator, adjust your drawing, or tweak your chart settings, tap Ctrl+S and keep working. This is one of the simplest habits that prevents lost work, especially if your browser refreshes or you navigate away unexpectedly. Get into the rhythm of saving as you go, the same way you'd save a document while writing. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.